श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्यासमनसः सर्वार्थानां कृतकृत्या स्युः तं नमामि गजाननम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजे गुरुर्व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दैहिकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षे हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तमानन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानभानुमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनं नमन्तर्यामिनम्। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददानास्तेनैकेन पद्मं शतमभिषेकं पुस्तकं जापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवदेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां मध्ये वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशं शकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामहदारतनं वन्दे अनिलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं गिरीशमक्षरं तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धो सलिलं सलिलमेशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजाय आदाय तेनैव ददाहलङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम् आञ्जनेयमधिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयं गृहम्। पारिजातधर्मूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसा दासीर् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं समुद्रमतले मे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितमग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जनसुते तत्त्वमुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भारतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं। वाहमे भूमिसुता पुरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रा सुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादिकोणे सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। नमोऽस्तु रामाय लक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणम् आञ्जनेयस्वामी की जय। मंगलाभिमुखी तस्य सा तदासीन्महाकपेः उपदस्ते विशालाक्षी प्रयता हव्यवाहनम्। Devi Sita, wishing all auspiciousness to that great monkey Hanuman, invoked Agni Bhagavan in her heart. Yadyasti pati susrusha yadyasti charitam tapaha यदि च अस्येकपत्नीत्वं शीतो भव हनुमतः। If I am devoted to my husband, if I have served him wholeheartedly, practiced tapasya and am loyal to him, then O fire, be cool to Hanuman. यदि किंचिद अनुक्रोशस्तस्य मय्यस्ति धीमतः यदि वा भाग्यशेषो मे शीतो भव हनुमतः। If Rama has any compassion towards me, and if I have any good fortune left in my account, then hey Agni, be cool to Hanuman. यदि मां वृत्त संपन्नां तत्समागमलालसां स विजानाति धर्मात्मा शीतो भव हनुमतः। If Rama knows that I am a woman of character who longs to unite with him, be with him, then, O Agni, be cool to Hanuman. यदि मां तारयेदार्यः सुग्रीवः सत्यसङ्गरः अस्मात् दुःखाम्बुसंरोधात् क्षितो भव हनुमतः. If the mighty and the valorous Sugriva, who is true in battle, with true prowess in battle, if it is true that he is going to come and rescue me from this ocean of sorrow into which I am plunged, then, O fire, be cool to Hanuman. Appadinu Sita prays. Yesterday we spoke about this and we saw how tapas, austerity, is to be practiced by one and all so that we may be of use to those who come to us in need, in times of trouble and distress. That is what Sita does. She uses up her austerity, her tapashakti, to make sure that Hanuman is comfortable. Upon Hanuman on his part is wondering what is happening. Drishyate cha mahajwalaha karoti na cha merujam shishirasyeva sangato langulagre pratishtitaha अथवा तदिदं व्यक्तं यदृष्टं प्लवतामया रामप्रभावाद् आश्चर्यं पर्वतः सरितां पतौ यदि तावत् समुद्रस्य मैनाकस्य च धीमतः रामार्तं सम्भ्रमस्तादृक् किमग्निर्न करिष्यति सीतायाश्चानृशंस्येन तेजसा राघवस्य च पितुश्च मम सख्येन न मां दहति पावकः. Drishyate cha mahajwalaha. I can see a mighty flame at the tip of my tail. It is obviously fire because I can see it. Mahajwalam, it is not an ordinary fire, it is a blazing fire. Ana na karoti merujam. Ana, it is not burning me. It is not causing any harm to me. It is not causing any pain to me. Forget it being warm. Fire can be hot. Ana can also be warm. A mild fire that will be warm. Comfortable. It is not like that. Shishirasya vasangato langu lagre pratishtitaha. It is like a mass of ice has been placed upon the tip of my tail. Like somebody has taken a block of ice and placed it on my tail. It is quite comfortable. It is chill. Fire is left off its nature to burn, and even if it has left off its burning nature, at least it could remain neutral. On the other hand, it has embraced the nature of its opponent, ice. It is cool to me. What kind of a Ascharyam is this? What kind of a wonder is this? Appa Yoshikar Athava Tadidam Yaktam Yadrishtam Plavatamaya Rama Prabhavat. It is clear because I discovered this even when I was flying across the ocean. I saw Rama's Prabhava, Rama's greatness and Rama's glory. How? Parvataha Saritam Patau. Parvata Saritam Patau. One is the mountain Mainaka, other was the ocean. Both the ocean and Mainaka wanted to help Rama. It is clear that the forces of nature, such as mountain, earth, Prithvi, mountain, Prithvi Tattva. Samudram girdu Apa, water Tattva. Arthad enna Agni. The Tattvangal eduthu Anju Pancha Tattvam eduthullomana 5 Panchamaha Bhutas appadina Prithvi, Jalam, Agni, Vayu, Akasha. Appo Prithvi Tattvamana Mainakam, Jala Tattvam Samudra Raja. Ipo yarina Agni Tattvam. Appo he says, if the earth and water want to help Rama, why will fire be behind? Why will fire alone not want to do so? Adu matramilla. Pituscha mama sakyena. Enga appa, my father, yarina Vayu. Adu element illaya. Vayu also wants to help her. How did Mainaka help? Samudra Raja and Mainaka became our friends. Samudra Raja and Mainaka our friends. So, friend, you go and help Ramaduta. Samudra Raja inspired Mainaka to come. Similarly here, my father is friend of Agni. Agni or a friend of. One is the charioteer of the other. The wind is the charioteer of fire. And when the wind blows, what happens? The fire can spread even more. But they have a friendship. Fire and wind have a friendship. அதனால இங்க ஹனுமான் says, it is a friendship of my father. Pituschavama sakyena namam dahati bhavakaha. Because of the friendship with my father, perhaps Agni is not burning me. Illena, otherwise the main reason enna Sitayas chandrashamsyena tejasa ragavasya cha. It is because of Sita's power. It is because of Rama's influence. It is because of my father's friendship. அப்படி எல்லா காரணத்தையும் கொடுக்குறார். He is trying to bring all the reasons. கடைசியில் என்ன மெயின் ரீசன் என்ன அப்படின்னா, what is the main real reason? It is Hanuman's bhakti. Anna, that is Hanuman's greatness. என்ன அப்படின்னா, Hanuman's greatness is that he never once thinks that this is because of him. On the other hand, he says, why? Because of the devotion that all the elements bear towards Rama, Agni is not burning me. Because of the power of Sita, Agni is not burning me. Because of his friendship with my father, Agni is not burning me. But he is giving all various kinds of reasons as to why the fire is not burning. The real reason is because he is Ramaduta, he is Ramadasa, he is Rama Bhakta. It is his bhakti, his capacity that is making fire also behave properly with him. அதான் ரியல் ரீசன். இதுக்கு சீதையும் வேண்டாம், ராமனும் வேண்டாம், இவன் பக்தி போரும். Hanuman's bhakti is enough. Whether Sita prayed or not, fire would not have dared to singe a hair on Hanuman's tail because of the bhakti shakti that he has got within him. What is the real shakti of Hanuman? Na bhakti is the shakti of Hanuman. இதான் முக்கியம் இங்க. அதனால what does this bhakti shakti do அப்படின்னா, it is like a small child. நம்ம முன்னாடி நிறைய தடவை சொல்லியிருக்கோம், பாலா பலா are related to each other. பலா அப்படின்னா strength, balamna strength, bala na child. Bala and bala are related because the child is the strongest in a family. The youngest child is the strongest in any family. Patrikela, everybody has to surrender to the youngest child. The baby of the house, ellaru surrender pannidum. It is very strong. Whoever is the youngest in the family is always the strongest in the family. They are terrorists. Domestic terrorists avalla veetukulle irukkrava. Because the younger you are, especially as a child, bala child irukumbodhu, as a child, when a child cries, what happens? When a child starts to cry, the entire house comes to a standstill and everybody is only trying their level best to pacify the child, give whatever the child wants. ஏன் குழந்தை ஏன் அழறதுங்கிறதா முக்கியமா போயிடுது. Everybody will be interested in finding out why the child is crying. What can we do to stop the child from crying? பெரியவா யாராவது அழுதுனா போட்டு விட்டுருவா. The child has got this capacity. Child has got so much power. Everybody is working hard to make the child happy. Bhakta is like a child. The devotee is like a child. When he is in trouble, whether it is Jagannatha, whether it is Jagannatha, both of them have to struggle to make the child, the bhakta, happy. அதுக்கு சீதையும் ப்ரே பண்ணிப்பா, ராமனும் ப்ரே பண்ணிக்கணும். Everybody will get involved, everybody will have to pray. And the reason for that is all the bhakti, the shakti of the bhakti that the bhakta has got. He can make the Lord dance to his tunes because of the bhakti that he has got. இது ஒன்று மாத்திரம் நம்ம வச்சுட்டா போறோம். Somehow or the other, we have got to gain the secret to this bhakti. We have got to gain the secret to this bhakti. அது என்ன அப்படின்னா, the secret for it is ரொம்ப simple, selflessness தான். Selflessness தான். When we do not think about ourselves, when we live for, adane இப்ப காமிச்சார் இல்லையா, Hanuman just demonstrated it இல்லையா. Even when his tail was set on fire, he said, Ramasya preertyartam vishahishye ahamidrusham. சொன்னார், Ramasya preertyartam. I can kill all these fellows immediately. I can prevent them from setting my tail on fire. But if it pleases Rama, then for the sake of Rama, I will put up with anything. ன்னு சொல்றாரு இல்லையா. அது ஒன்னே போரும். அதுதான் பெரிய அஸ்திரம். The greatest weapon that we have got in our hand, in our arsenal against fate itself. What அப்படின்னா, யதா தவேஷ்டம் குருமாம் ததைவா ன்னு சொல்றோம். எண்ணம் எதுவோ அது செய்வாய், உன்னிஷ்டம் என்னிஷ்டம் அப்படின்னு சரண்டர் பண்றதுக்கே, whatever you want, Swami. Whatever you want, if this makes you feel good, then so be it. அப்படிங்கிறது மாத்திரம் எப்படியாவது கொண்டு வந்துட்டான்னா சரி. We've got to somehow, hold on to that one thing. In all aspects of life, whatever you, Shari, whatever you, Shari, whatever you, Shari, whatever you. அப்படிங்கிற அது பிரம்மாஸ்திரம் அது. This is our Brahmastra. Brahmastra is the most powerful weapon in the arsenal. அப்படின்னா நம்மளுடைய பிரம்மாஸ்திரம் என்ன? சரி சரி என்ன மெதுவா திசை உனக்கு எப்படி இஷ்டமோ அப்படி உனக்கே நாம் ஆட்சேபம். அதனால உனக்கு எப்படி வருமோ அப்படி as you please, as you want to do with me, you play with me as you will அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. ஒரு எண்ணம் எதுவோ அது செய்வாய் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரே ஒரு வெப்பன் if we have got in our hand அப்படின்னா what will it do? It will conquer God. அஜிதனா இருக்கக்கூடிய பகவானுக்கு அஜிதன்னு பேர். Bhagavan has got a name Ajita. Ajita means one who cannot be conquered. And even Ajita, Bhagavatam says, hey Ajita, you also are conquered by the bhakta, by the devotee. What is this power that the devotee has got to conquer Bhagavan? This is Niswartha Prema, selfless love. What is the meaning of selfless love? It is accepting His will in our life. It is not obstructing His will with our own intentions, our own agendas, our own whatever you want. Whatever you want. அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கே அது மாத்திரம் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா that's what Hanuman does here. Hanuman says, I will put up with it. He doesn't have to put up with it. In the end, what happened? I will put up with it. All right, if my tail has to be burnt, I shall bear the pain. The moment he said, I will bear the pain, there was no pain at all. There is no pain at all. நமக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே ஆக்சுவலா we suffer in anticipation of suffering. we actually suffer more in anticipation of suffering. So if we surrender to Bhagavan, tomorrow there will be no suffering at all. So what happened? Anyway, there is no suffering tomorrow. Why should I unnecessarily suffer today in the anticipation of an imaginary suffering of tomorrow? Because really Bhagavan does not want me to suffer. Why will Bhagavan want me to suffer? En Prabhu liya. Is He not my Lord? Is He not my Master? Is He not my God? Why will my God want to torture me? Why will my God want to give me trouble? Why will my God smile at my unhappiness? He only wishes happiness for me. Appearbata Mangala Swarupiya irukkudiya Bhagavan, who is eternally auspicious, wishing auspiciousness to us. Why should we doubt Him or distrust Him into thinking He is going to give us pain? Illiye nalladane kudupan appdinu solli innike sharanagati pannittomaanal if we surrender to Him. Surrendering means His will becomes paramount to us. Our will, it does not exist. Our will is won't. His will alone is will opposite is will not, won't. Number won't. Our will is won't. His will alone is. Really short our case also will be like Hanuman. We can definitely say, is it not Sita's prayer? What made Sita pray for Hanuman? Hanuman's bhakti is what made Sita also pray for Hanuman. Then let anybody pray and make it happen. Who cares who prays? As long as we don't suffer, it is enough for us. Let anybody pray. Sita evanalum pray panikittum, Ramaranalum pray panikittum. Ana, how do we get them to pray for us? We have got to simply surrender and say, bring it on. Whatever you want, so be it. Sankalpam eppadiyo appadi. Appdinu sollu. Abdinar Hanuman found that the fire was not burning. He got an idea. Bhuyas sachintayamasa muhurtam kapi kunjaraha. Yoshcharavan. He got an idea. Aha! Abdinar. He grew even more, cast those ropes asunder, and jumped on to the top of a huge arch, the entrance of the lofty city. The city entrance stood on the archway. Again, the Bhata, he looked at all of Lanka. Nanachar, he thought within himself, what else is left for me to do? What else can I do? Kinnu kalu avasishtam me kartavyam iha sampratam yadesham rakshasam bhuyaha santapa jananam bhavet. What more can I do to bring trouble to Rakshasas? I have not tormented them enough. I have not tortured them enough. What more can I do to torment them even further? Yenna vanam tavat pramatitam பிரகிருஷ்டா ராட்சசா ஹதாஹ பலைகதேஷ க்ஷபித சேஷம் துர்க விநாசனம். அவர் சொன்னார், I have destroyed the garden Ashokavanam. I have killed several important, excellent Rakshasas. I have destroyed a portion of their army. இத்தனையும் பண்ணிட்டேன், இவ்வளவு பண்ணது போராது. But this is not enough, because for what they have done, this is not enough. என்ன ஒன்று, they disturbed, they brought so much pain to Sita and Rama, and further they dared to put my tail on fire. அதுக்காக இவாளுக்கு கொடுத்தது போராது. I have got to punish them a little bit more அப்படின்னா என்னதுன்னா, for having stolen Sita away, I have destroyed the for having imprisoned Sita in Ashokavanam, I destroyed Ashokavanam. For having kidnapped her and brought her here, I have destroyed the Rakshasas. And to make our job easier when we come and destroy these Rakshasas, I have demolished a part of their army. இப்போ என்ன பாக்கின்னா, for the crime of setting fire to my tail, even though it is not burning to me, that is different. அது என்ன விஷயம்? They cannot say nothing happened to you சொல்ல முடியாது. They set fire to my tail. அதனால என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, I shall burn this city அப்படின்னா நான் fourth 3 பண்ணியாச்சு, let's do the fourth also அப்படி. அது பண்ணிட்டோமானால், if I do this துர்கா அப்படின்னா fourth, இந்த பெரிய fortified லங்கா. துர்கே விநாசிதே கர்ம பவேத் சுக பரிஷ்ரமம் அப்படி சொன்னார். If I destroy this Lanka, burn this Lanka down, then it will be a very happy conclusion to my mission. சுபமா முடிக்கலாம் இல்லையா? சுபம் அப்படின்னு முடிப்பாங்க. எப்படி முடிக்கிறது சுபம் அப்படின்னா, if I burn Lanka down, then it is a sukha parishramam, it is a very happy endeavor. இப்படி தோன்றது இருக்கு. அது அல்பயத்னேன காரியேஸ்மின் மமஸ்யாத் சபலஸ்ரமஹ. அல்பயத்னம் தான் இதுக்கு. I do not need to struggle very much. It's a very mild effort on my part. நான் பண்ணி தான் தீரணும். I've got to do a mild effort. என்ன பண்ணணும்? What should I do? I just need to jump. If I jump, then it is enough. Moreover, I actually need to do this. அனுமானுக்கு என்ன தோன்றது அப்படின்னா, நான் பண்ணி தான் தீரணும். I have got to do it. I have got to set fire to Lanka. It's a duty. ஏன் அப்படின்னா, அக்னிக்கு ஏதாவது கொடுக்க வேண்டாமோ? Since I have got the fire on my tail, fire has come to my tail. My tail is part of my body. So when the fire has come to upon my tail, fire has become my atiti, my guest. It is my responsibility to feed my guest. இல்லையா? அதனால என்ன பண்றது அப்படின்னா, அப்படி பார்த்தா சுத்தி பார்த்தா அப்படின்னா தான் இருக்கே, லங்கா தான் இருக்கே. I will give Lanka as food to the fire அப்படின்னு நினைச்சாரு. அவ்வளவுதான். The next moment what did he do அப்படின்னா, நேர when he came in the night, you remember he went and looked at every house, looked at all the name boards, name plates in front of all the Rakshasa houses. யாரு அவன், என்ன பிஇயா பிஏவா எம்பிபிஎஸ்ஆ என்ன எதெல்லாம் பார்த்தாருன்னு சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு அவருக்கு. he remembers everything. அதனால what does he do? அவப்ளுத்ய மகாவேகஹ. he jumped fast, hurriedly he jumped. எங்க போனார் அப்படின்னா, நேர பிரஹஸ்தனுடைய வீட்டுக்கு போனார். பிரஹஸ்தஸ்ய நிவேஷனம். பிரஹஸ்தா is the prime minister. Under Ravana, the main முக்கிய minister is பிரஹஸ்தா. அதனால since he occupies the most important position in the bureaucracy, let us start with this house அப்படின்னு தோணித்தவருக்கு. Even when he came in, Prahastha's house is what he saw first. அதனால அங்கேயே போறார். ஒரு செட் ரொட்டீன் வச்சுட்டார். The postman ஒரு ரவுண்டு போவான் இல்லையா? newspaper boy, postman, அந்த காலத்துல they go on a round, they'll have a fixed route. அந்த மாதிரி அவர் fixed route வச்சுட்டார். He went to Prahastha's house, set it on fire. அங்கேருந்து மகாபார்ஷ்வா, அங்கேருந்து வஜ்ரதம்ஷ்ட்ரா, சுகா, ஷாரணா, இந்திரஜித், ஜம்புமாலி, சுமாலி. அடுத்த வீடு விபீஷணன் வீடு. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஹவுஸ் விபீஷணா. பார்த்தார், விபீஷணா's house we should not do anything. ஒரே ஜம்ப், பைபாசிங் விபீஷணா's house. அங்கேருந்து நேரம் எங்க போனார்? ரஷ்மிகேது, சூரியசத்ரு, ஹ்ரஸ்வகர்ண, வஜ்ரதம்ஷ்ட, ரோமச, யுத்தோன்மத்த, மத்த, துவஜக்ரீவ, வித்யுஜ்ஜிஹ்வ, ஹஸ்திமுக, கராள, பிசாச, சௌனிதாக்ஷ, கும்பகர்ண, மகராக்ஷ, யஜ்ஞசத்ரு, பிரம்மசத்ரு, நரகாந்தக, கும்ப, நிகும்ப அப்படின்னு all these important Rakshasa houses ஒன்று விடாம எல்லாராத்துக்கும் போய் he went to everybody's house. மகாபாகவதன் எல்லாராத்துக்கும் போவோன்னு கிளம்பிட்டார். பாவம் முஞ்சுகிருத்தி பிராமணெல்லாம் போவா இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி கிளம்பிட்டார். Let us go to every house, bless every house அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒருத்தர் ராத்துக்கா போய் அக்னி அங்கங்க வச்சு ஆதானம் பண்ணிட்டோம். பிரதிஷ்டம் பண்ணிட்டு. He set all those houses on fire. அதுக்கப்புறம் எங்க போனார் அப்படின்னா, கடைசியில் எங்க வந்தார்? ராவணனுடைய பேலஸ். ஃபைனலி கேம் டு ராவணாஸ் பேலஸ். ஏன் அதை விட்டு வைக்கணும்? அதனால கேம் டு ராவணாஸ் பேலஸ். அங்கேயும் அதையும் ஃபுல்லா he set it on fire. இப்படி உடனே ஒரு காத்து அடிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சுதான். immediately a wind blew in. ஏன்னா வாயு பகவான் also thought, let me do my bit, my son is doing some work, let me help my son அப்படின்னு. வாயு also started to roar. Conjunction of wind and fire, பெரிய conflagration arose from there. எங்க பார்த்தாலும் all the houses were being burnt. All the houses were all not built for against fire at all. Fire proofing கிடையாது, இந்த வீட்டிலையுமே கிடையாதுங்க. ஏன்னா nobody ever bothered about fire in Lanka. Nobody bothered about any of the elements in Lanka. Ravana was ruling. அதனால all the elements were under his control. What is fire alone? ஆனா இப்ப என்ன ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா, நூனமேஷோ அக்னிராயாத கபி ரூபேண ஹா இதி. All the Rakshasas were saying, Agni has come in the form of a monkey today. He went and started burning all the houses. Several Rakshasas died in that fire itself, it seems. அப்படியா எல்லாரும் ஷாஹா, all of Lanka was being burnt. அப்போ Hanuman went and put out the fire in his tail by quenching it, dipping it into the ocean. அங்கே தானே ஷோர் ஆஃப் தி ஓஷன் இருக்குல்ல, அங்கே போய் அப்படின்னு he put his tail into the ocean and the fire was put out. அப்புறம் நின்று பார்த்தேன். he stood there and watched all of Lanka burn. good sight அப்படின்னு. யார் இவராக இருக்கிறது? arsonist, incendiary, looking at everything. ஆஹா, ஃபயர் பக், everything is burning well, good. எங்கேயாவது மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டோமா? did we miss any place அப்படின்னு பார்க்க, when he was looking around to see if he had missed any place, suddenly a thought came to him. Alas, what have I done? What a fool I am. In a moment of anger, I set fire to Lanka without considering the fact that Devi is still in Lanka. All of Lanka I set fire. Is Devi not in Lanka? What a sin I have committed. Comes with akritam idam maya. Akritam pannutene. I have done a forbidden act. Something I should not have done, I have done. Danyaste purusha shreshta ye budhya kopamuttitam nirundanti mahatmano deeptamagnimivambhasa. Hanuman says, blessed are the righteous ones, blessed are those Mahatmas, blessed are those high-souled holy ones who conquer anger with the help of their own buddhi, their intellect, with their wisdom. Just as fire is put out by water, like that they conquer their anger through their buddhi, through their intellect. Ilena, what does it do அப்படின்னா, kruddha papam na kuryat kaha kruddho hanyat gurunapi kruddha parushaya vacha narasadhu nadikshipet. What sinful act will an angry man not commit? When a man is blinded by anger, will he consider who he is talking to, who he is acting in front of? He'll forget everything. When we are blinded by anger, we forget everything. All we know is to act in a rash manner, brash manner. But all reason goes out of the window. We start screaming and shouting and yelling. Kruddho hanyat gurunapi. An angry person will not mind killing even his own guru, his own father, his own elders, his own relatives. Blinded by anger. Kruddha parushaya vacha. He will use harsh words against everybody. Yenna vachya vachyam prakupito na vijanati karhichit na karyamasti kruddhasya na karyamasti kruddhasya na vachyam vidyate kvachit. An angry man does not know what is worthy of speaking, what should not be said. The distinction between what is appropriate, what is inappropriate is lost to an angry man. Na akaryamasti kruddhasya. There is no act that he thinks is not to be done, nor are there any words that he thinks should not be uttered. He does anything and he utters anything in that anger. ஆனால் யஸ்மத்பத்திதம் குரோதம் க்ஷமயைவ நிரஸ்யதி யதோ ரகஸ்த்வச்சம் ஜீர்ணாம் சவை புருஷ உச்யதே. On the other hand, when anger arises in him, he who is able to bear it with tolerance, kshamaya nirasyati, he is able to get rid of it with his kshama, with his forbearance. Just as a snake gets rid of its old skin, he is able to cast off his anger. He alone is a man. Savai purusha uchyate. He alone is a man. Otherwise, we become blinded by anger. அப்படின்னா இதுக்கு got to be ever alert தான். Spirituality-லியே what is the one most important quality required in spirituality? Alertness தான். Alertness தான். பிரமாதோவை மிருத்யுஹு. அப்பிரமாதம் தான் முக்கியம். We've got to be alert, we've got to be mindful. Otherwise, after we have become angry and done and said all kinds of things, we will realize and regret it. Several times this will happen. Every time we are angry, we will become angry, we will shout, we will yell, we will do all kinds of things. Then we will regret, alas, why? And the next time we will do the same thing again. And regret again. And then do the same thing again and regret again. Why? Why does this happen? Because we do not catch ourselves when we are getting angry. We have already decided, no, I should not do this in children. But next time when we get angry, what do we do? We cannot catch ourselves. We are not mindful. We are not mindful. See, if you are meant to be angry for a situation, you will be angry. Whether you are mindful or not, you will be angry. But if you are mindful, then you will not be regretting it later. This is the difference. Lanka has to be set on fire. This is unavoidable. But Hanuman has not committed a crime by setting Lanka on fire. Here he has done what he has to do. But he is regretting. Why is the regret? If he caught himself before rather than after, then he will not need to regret. In Mahabharata, we find Arjuna versus Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira is the eldest. Dharma Purusha, Dharma Raja he is. Dharma Raja nani cholra Yudhishthira. There is a difference between Dharma Raja Yudhishthira and Arjuna. Swami says the difference is that Arjuna had Purva Tapam and Yudhishthira had Pascha Tapam. Tapam means sorrow. Purva Tapam abdina sorrow beforehand. Pascha Tapam abdina sorrow after the event. In fact, when Swami explains why Bhagavad Gita was given only to Arjuna and not to even Yudhishthira, he says the reason for that is because Arjuna had Purva Tapa, whereas Yudhishthira had Pascha Tapa. After the war was completed, Yudhishthira bet his head and cried, alas, why did we have to fight? Was the kingdom so important? Could we not have gone and lived in the forest like bhikshus? Why did we have to fight against our own teachers, our own elders, our own brothers? After the war. What did Arjuna do before the war? He did it. Ada Arjuna Vishada Yoga Murukha. First chapter of Bhagavad Gita is Arjuna's lamentation before the war. As a result, what happened? He still fought the war. At the end of it, he did not regret. The regret of Yudhishthira lasted until his dying day. Once the event is done and regret sets in, that regret is forever now. But if you consider the act beforehand itself, even though the act has to happen because it is destined and decreed by Prarabdha, you are saved a lifetime of regret after the act is finished. Is this not worth it? That is why they say, think before you leap. Think before you act. Enna think pannanumna? What should we think? Should I do this? Should I not do this? Be aware. Be mindful. Don't be caught unawares. You've got to do the task. You've got to behave in a certain way. All that is fine. Let it all happen, but do it in an alert way. Do it in a mindful way. Don't be caught up by the emotions and then later on realize what has happened. Rather, go into it with your eyes wide open, not eyes wide shut. Don't go into it without knowing. Know what you're getting into. Know that you have no choice over the matter. That's fine. And the very fact that you have seen it, you have acknowledged it, will make you free from repentance, guilt, regret, etc. later. என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? நடக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம், it has to happen. அதனால it is happening. But so what? Fine, that's fine. So you caught your இதுதான் முக்கியம். That is why they say, think before you act. We have thought about it as think how best to act, how we can get successful. Think before you act means do not think after acting, think before acting so that you do not have to worry about thinking after acting. Digastumam sudurbuddhim nirlajjam papakrittamam achintayitva tam sitam agnim idam swamigatukam. Alas, I have behaved in a silly manner. I have behaved in a wicked, shameless manner. I am the greatest sinner because I have betrayed my master. I have set fire to this Lanka where Sita is. If this Lanka is burnt, if Janaki is burnt, then I have spoiled my master's work completely. Unknowingly, I have destroyed everything. Alas, overpowered by anger, I have destroyed the success that I recently just gained. What is the use now? If I have killed Sita, if I have killed Sita, what is the point of going back? I should jump into the ocean. I should myself jump into this fire. I should give myself to the animals that live here so that they can eat me. How can I go and see Rama and Lakshmana? How can I go and see Sugriva now? And that's children. Maya kalu tadevedam rosha doshat pradarshitam pratitam trishulokeshu kapitvam anavastitam. Aha, I have demonstrated my monkey nature. The fickle nature of a monkey I have demonstrated once again. I behaved in anger. If the two Rama and Lakshmana, the two princes, know of Sita's death, then they are dead. They will die. When they die, Sugriva will die. When Sugriva will die, all the Vanaras will die. When Bharata will die, Shatrughna will die. Ikshvaku Vamsha will die. Ella ennude thappudan. Dharmatani, I failed in Dharma. I failed in Artha. I am the destroyer of the world. I have been overtaken by anger. Abhina Hanuman started to lament. Idrga avuna Hanuman, aha, if this has happened, then Rama will perish. When Rama perishes, Lakshmana will perish. When the news reaches them, Bharata will perish, Shatrughna will perish, the three queens will perish, all of Ikshvaku Vamsham will perish, all of Kausala Desham people will die. When Sugriva, not having given up his word, kept up his word, Sugriva will die. On seeing Sugriva die, Angada will die, Tara will die, Ruma will die, all the monkeys will die. Everybody is going to be fine. Guilt, even to Hanuman this has happened. Because he has not thought about this fact before the deed, he has thought about it after that. Adime Hanuman is demonstrating to us, even a buddhimanta like Hanuman, even an intelligent person like Hanuman can fall prey. He is thinking he has fallen prey to anger. More than falling prey to anger, he has fallen prey to a moment of inadvertence. That's real. Appo, for children, when he is thinking about it, suddenly a thought occurs to him. When this fire did not even burn my tail, how is it possible for this fire to harm Sita? Yenvale unnumagaliye nahi dharmatmanastasya bharyam amita tejasaha swacharitra viguptam tam sprashtumarghati pavakaha. She who is protected by her own chastity, by her own character, she who is wedded to the Dharmatma Shri Rama, how can fire touch her? Fire has not burnt me because of her merits. How can this fire burn her? அவசக்தினால எனக்கே ஒண்ணுமாகலே அண்ணா. यद्वा दहन कर्मायो सर्वत्र प्रभुर अव्ययः नमे दहति लांगूलं कथमार्यां प्रदक्ष्यति. Fire which is known to burn everything randomly, indiscriminately burn everything. How can that fire which has not burnt my tail burn her? तपसा सत्यवाक्येन अनन्यत्वाच्च भर्तरी अपि सा निर्दहेदग्निं न ताम् अग्नि प्रदक्ष्यति. Tapasa, by her tapas shakti, by her truthfulness, by her devotion to her husband, she is protected by a kavacha, by an armor as it were. The fire cannot burn her. Even as he was thinking, he suddenly heard some charanas, some heavenly beings that were conversing amongst them each other as they were flying in the sky. Ava chodra, oho aho khalu kritam karma dushkaram ki Hanumata. Hanuman has performed an extraordinary deed. Look how he has burnt all of Lanka. All of Lanka is burning. Ana, adila, the wonder of it is, Dagdeyam nagari sarva Sata prakara torana Janaki nacha dagdeti vismayo adbhutaye vanaha. All of Lanka is burning. Its ramparts, its markets, its portals, its houses, everything is burning. The place where Sita is sitting alone is safe. What a great wonder this is. What an extraordinary deed Hanuman has performed, that he has burnt everything except that place. Abhin Ava Chodra. Hanuman kita Abba. Hanuman thank God nothing happened to Devi. I've got to see her once again. I have to see her once again before leaving. I have to make sure with my own eyes, I have to make sure she is safe. He came back there. She's still Tatastu Shimshupa Mule Janakim Paryupastitam. She did not even go back to that place that Chaitya Prasadam where she was sitting. She came walking to the Simshupa Vrikshamalya. She does not want to leave this place. This is the place where I heard Ramakatha. This is the place where I met Ramabhakta. This is the place where I got Rama's ring. This is the sacred place for me. Sita is waiting under the tree. Hanuman, he came to the tree. Simshupa Vriksham was green arc. Not a single scorch mark upon the tree. Beautiful arc. Abhivadya Bravit Dishtya Pashyami Tvam Ihakshadam. Again, Namaskar Manna. Amma Devi, I'm so glad I'm seeing you unscathed. Nothing has happened to you. Nothing has happened to you. But Sita Chodra, are you safe? Has nothing happened to you? You are single-handedly capable of rescuing me. You are capable of rescuing me. Sandehame la kamamasya tvamevaikaha. Karyasya parisadhane paryapta paraviragna yashasyaste balodayah. You alone are enough to perform this task. Anal, but if Rama comes, even now earlier, Sita had a bit of a doubt. Sita said, how is it possible for you to take me and go? Now after seeing Hanuman's performance, Sita has got no doubts in her heart at all. So she says, you alone are enough. You are capable indeed of taking me there. However, still, if Rama should come and if he should conquer Lanka, then all glory will be going to him. Adhanale, go and act in such a manner that Rama will come and demonstrate his valor as appropriate to his stature. Ramarna yaru? They are Ramaruடைய பராக்கிரமத்தை காமிக்க வேண்டாமா? அப்படின்னா உடனே again Hanuman says, Amma, rest assured, Rama will come. Very soon he will come. With the best of vanaras and bears he will come. He will win this battle. He will remove your sorrow. You will once again reunite with him. அப்படின்னு திருப்பி சொல்றா. I will take leave now. I shall go and convey this to Rama. அப்படின்னு taking leave of Sita, he comes to a mountain called Arishta. And the Arishta mountain is now his jump board. So he climbs onto that mountain. Gerந்து oru jump. The same thing that happened there in Mahendra Parvatam happens here. All the mountain starts to get crushed. All the beings emerge out of the mountain. Gerந்து parakara. Jai Shri Ram. Abdina kalambara. இங்கேருந்து வரைச்சே ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம்னு சொல்லிட்டு வந்தார். when Hanuman left Mahendra Parvatam, he called out Jai Shri Ram அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். this time when he is leaving from Arishta Parvatam, Jai Siya Ram அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். Jai Siya Ram, Jai Sita Ram அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் இந்த ஜெய் சீதாராம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. ஏன்னா now after seeing Devi இப்போ என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா ராம பக்தனா இருக்கிறது சீதா பக்தன் ஆயிட்டாரு. he is more of a Sita devotee now than a Rama devotee. அதனால இங்கேருந்து ஜெய் சீதாராம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கிளம்பிட்டார். அங்கேருந்து கிளம்புறார். once again he crosses the ocean and in the river there are no obstacles for him. there are no obstacles at all. generally நமக்கே அப்படிதானே இருக்கும். when you are going on a drive, you go on a holiday to drive someplace, the onward journey will always seem long. போயிட்டே இருக்கும் இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு தோணும். You see, it always appears as though it takes a long time to go. When you come back, the same route you're returning, அது என்னமோ இப்போதான் கிளம்பினோம் வந்தாச்சுன்னு தோணும். It seems as though you've already reached. That's theory of relativity. Einsteinian theory of relativity என்ன அப்படின்னா, when you're going it always seems longer, when you're coming back it is shorter. எப்படி same distance தெரியாது. Likewise again, Hanuman very quickly reached the other side where all the monkeys are waiting for him. எல்லாம் காத்துட்டு இருக்கா, எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இப்படியே உட்காந்துட்டு இருந்துடும். இன்னைக்கு போனார் ஹனுமான், ஒரு நாள் எடுத்து. ஹனுமான் left the previous day, அங்கே போய் இறங்கி whole night he spent, அதுக்கப்புறம் almost whole day he spent, இப்போதான் திரும்பி வர. now he is coming back இல்லையா? அதனால they are all waiting. அங்கே மைனாகம் அப்படியே கிளம்பி as he is flying back, மைனாக பர்வதம் அங்கே நின்று இருக்கு. மைனாகா ஸ்டில் ஸ்டாண்டிங் தான். அதை தொட்டு ஹே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, ஏன்னா ரொம்ப சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஹே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வர இஸ் ஜம்பிங் அக்ராஸ். அங்கேருந்து வரச்சேயே knowing that all the monkeys are waiting for him eagerly, அவர் என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா ஒரு பெரிய சப்தம் பண்ணாராம். மகேந்திரம் மேகசங்காஷம் நநாத ஹரிபுங்கவஹ. when he saw Mahendra Parvata in the distance and he saw all that, he knew all the waiting vanaras are there, immediately a feeling of homecoming arose in his heart. அதனால with a loud roar he emitted, and as soon as the roar was heard, எல்லா monkeysum வந்து ஏதோ சத்தம் கேட்குறதே, does not sound like Hanuman, isn't like Hanuman's voice அப்படிங்கிறது. உடனே எல்லாருக்கும் சந்தோஷம். if Hanuman is shouting like this அப்படின்னா, Jambavan, who is the wisest among them all, he says sarvata krita karyosau Hanuman natra samshayah nahyasya krita karyasya nada evam vido bhavet. definitely Hanuman has succeeded அப்படின்னு Jambavan makes an announcement to all the monkeys. Otherwise he will not be shouting like this. The very resounding loud roar of Hanuman is indicative of his success. He has certainly fulfilled his there. இப்படின்னு when Jambavan said, all the monkeys started jumping up and down. அது வரைக்கும் they are waiting on tenterhooks. what happened அப்படின்னு. இப்போ பார்த்தா, one, they are happy that Hanuman is returned safely. ஏன்னா அவருடைய he's part of them இல்லையா? He's part of them, the kith and kin. They were very eager and anxious to make sure Hanuman comes back safely. That itself is a cause of joy. Even if Hanuman had failed to find Sita, as long as Hanuman came back safely to their midst, they are happy. But now, with Hanuman's loud roar, they know for a fact that Hanuman has succeeded. அதனால the joy is redoubled. Longing to see Hanuman, they are jumping from tree to tree, climbing up the mountain. He will come and land here. அப்படின்னு they are all climbing up there. அங்கேருந்து they are going up to welcome him. அப்போ அங்கேருந்து பார்த்தா, they can see soon in the distance, they can see Hanuman rushing towards them. அப்படியே வந்த உடனே he descended onto that mountain where they were all standing there. எல்லாரும் நிற்கிறா. As soon as Hanuman came and stood in their midst, all of them were so overwhelmed with joy that they stood motionless for a while. கையும் ஓடல காலும் ஓடலன்னு சொல்லுவார் இல்லையோ, அது மாதிரி அடுத்தாங்க. கையும் ஓடல காலும் ஓடலே என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க. அவ்வளோ ஒரு சந்தோஷம். You become so happy, you don't know what to do, you are standstill, you are stunned in joy. அந்த மாதிரி the monkeys were stunned in joy for a while. They just stood still. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு joy, ஒரு பெரிய burst. Hey, everybody shouted. All fruits and roots had been already gathered. எல்லாம் வச்சு ஹனுமான் உட்கார வச்சு, take Hanuman, eat. How was the journey? Are you okay? Was it very tiring? அப்படின்னு எல்லாம் கேட்டு they gave all the different kinds of fruits and roots that they had gathered. Hanuman knows what to do always. அதனால first he went and saluted Jambavan. elderly Jambavanங்கிறதுனால ஜாம்பவானுக்கு ஒரு நமஸ்காரம். Angada, young boy, Anna, he is in role. He is an authority here. He is the crown prince. Adanale, as per the hierarchy, power hierarchy, he also deserves to be saluted. Adanale, Hanuman salutes Angada also. Then all the other youngsters go and salute Hanuman. Hanuman receives all of them, gives them his blessings. அதுவும் முடிக்கிறார். இப்படியா பார்த்து எல்லாரும் இப்படி பார்க்கறா. எல்லாரும் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கா. என்ன? What happened? திருஷ்டா சீதேதி விக்ராந்த சம்ஷேபேண ன்யவேதயத். சம்ஷேபேண, in a very concise manner, very briefly, to the point, Hanuman says, Drashta Siteti, saw Sita. Literal translation, Drashta Sita, saw Sita. Kandeen Sitayai. அப்படின்னு தமிழ்ல சொல்றா இல்லையா? கண்டேன் சீதையை அப்படின்னு சொல்ற. இப்போ எல்லா குரங்களும் கேட்டுது. இதான் summary. Now rest of the details. Fill us in on the details. அப்படின்னு உடனே Hanuman starts to speak about all the details. Ashokavanika samstha drashta sa janakatmaja rakshamana sugorabhi rakshasibhir anindita ekaveni darabala Ramadarshanalasa Upavasa Varishranta Jatila Malina Krisha. I saw her in Ashokavanam, surrounded by, guarded by terrible Rakshasis. I saw the blameless Sita with a single braid of hair, young and delicate, emaciated through fasting, clothes soiled, mind ever fixed on Rama, reuniting with Rama. I saw Sita in Ashokavanam. அப்படின்னு சொல்ல உடனே ஸ்வேலயந்த்யன்யே நதந்த்யன்யே ததோ திருஷ்டேதி வச்சனம் மகாத அமிர்தோபமம் நிஷம்ய மாருதே சர்வே முதிதா வானரா பவன். மகார்த்தம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. These words of Hanuman, the monkeys heard. However, these words are mahartham, filled with great meaning. என்ன meaning? அப்படின்னா fasted, emaciated, wearing a single braid, unornamented, soiled clothes, mind ever fixed on Rama. I saw the blameless Sita. அப்படின்னு சொன்னா what does it mean? அப்படின்னா Sita is still pining for Rama. இல்லையா? ஏன்னா where is Sita? Okay, how is that Sita? If she is already married Ravana அப்படின்னா சீ சொல்றதுக்கே அசிங்கமா இருக்கே. ஆனாலும் what to do if something such a thing has happened அப்படின்னா what is the point? இல்லையா? Then how can we go and tell Rama? What should we tell Rama? ஆனா more important than finding Sita is finding Sita well and alive and pining for Rama. அப்படிங்கும்போது மகார்த்தம். Very meaningful words of Hanuman. They heard, they were very happy. Some of them began to howl, some of them began to chatter, some of them began to roar, some of them began to dance, some of them began to sing. All the monkeys expressed their joy in various ways. This Hanumanudiya Amritopamam, Amrita like, nectar like words of Hanuman were heard by all the Vanaras. Angada holds his hand and tells him, Satve Virye Nate Kaschit Samo Vanara Vidyate Yadavaplutya Vistirnam Sagaram Punaragataha. Hey Hanuman, there is no other monkey equal to you. That in your valor or in your presence or in your might, there is nobody equal to you, that you have jumped across the ocean and returned. Punaragataha. You have returned. Angada is very important. Because when Angada was showcasing his strengths, he said, I can go, I cannot return. But I cannot return. Now Hanuman is returned. Angada says that you've gone and you've come back. What is the reason for this now? Aho swaminite bhaktihi, aho viryam, aho dhritihi, दिष्ट्या दृष्टा त्वया देवी रामपत्नी यशस्विनी दिष्ट्या त्यक्षति काकुत्स्थ शोकं सीता वियोगजम्. अहो स्वामिनि ते भक्ति, the bhakti that you have got towards your master, towards your Lord, what shall we speak about it? Aho Swamini te bhakti. What an extraordinary bhakti you have got towards your master. Aho Viryam, what an extraordinary valor. Aho Dhritihi, what extraordinary courage and fortitude you have got. Because of all of that, you are luckily able to see Sita, Ramapatni Yashaswini, Rama's renowned wife Sita, you have been able to see. And because of this, Rama will now shed his sorrow on account of the separation from Sita. This is all a good luck and great good fortune to us. Amina Angada praises Hanuman. All the monkeys go around Hanuman, Jambavan and Angada in joy, in delight. Apo Kekara, they ask Hanuman for all the details. Hanuman also with equal vigor, equal enthusiasm explains all the details to them. He jumped up from there, that you all saw. Leon, that you all saw. As he was going, suddenly I saw a huge mountain peak arise from the ocean. I resolved in my mind, then and there I resolved in my mind. Krita me manasa buddhihi. Immediately I decided I should destroy this mountain on my way to see Sita. Apo, I hit it. The peak was shattered into thousands of pieces. But I hit it with my tail and the peak was shattered into thousands of pieces. First thinking that I'm going to smash him, immediately the mountain started to speak. He said, "Oh son, don't do anything to me. I'm your father's brother. I am a friend of Vayu. Therefore, I'm really like your uncle." Pitruvyam chapi mam viddi. Pitruvyam abdinal. Another father. Think of me as a father. No, uncle. Pitruvya abdina. Father's side uncle, father's brother. I am an uncle. I did not know until now I had a mountain for an uncle. Uncle mountain. Malamama, எப்படி இருக்கேன்? மல சித்தப்பா ஏதோ சொல்லணும். பித்ருவியம் சொன்னா இல்லையா, அதனால மாத்துலம்னு சொல்லலையே, பித்ருவியான்னு சொன்னதுனால மலை சித்தப்பா, my uncle. So he told me the history of how he was saved by my father and how all the sea also owes a debt to Ikshvaku Vamsham. But I did not have any time to stay. I simply touched him and went on. Surasa Nagamata arose. She said, "You are supposed to be my food. You better enter into my mouth." I told her, "Amma, I'm going on a big job, important job. After finishing the job, I will come." Like this, everybody says I will always remain hungry. Who will come back then? If I sit, everybody, okay, you buy now, pay later. If I tell everybody, then what will happen? I will have to send the details to a debt collection agency. They have to send debt letters to them. Keep calling them up. I will not get any food. Adhanal nothing doing. Enter into my mouth now. She opened her mouth to 15 yojanas. I was 10 yojana, I went to 15 yojana. She also became big. When she became big, then I became small, like the size of a thumb. I went in and came out. I'm pleased with you. Go and discover Sita. She told me. The gods also praised me. All the creatures praised me. Sadhu Nushanna. Like Garuda, once again when I was flying, my shadow was caught. I looked around in all the 10 directions. Why am I not able to move? Then the thought arose to me, this must be Simhika. Simhika said, "I'm hungry. I'm going to eat you." I said, "Very well." I became big. She also became big. I became small. I entered into her. I tore her open, pulled her heart out. Simhika, Hanuman has killed Simhika. So I thought, good, I have done a good job. Tam hatva punarevaham krityam atyayikam smaran. I thought of what a great deed I have done. Eventually, then I remembered the mission ahead. So then I went to Lanka. Anga pona Lankini northi vandutta. There somebody called Lankini came. Ingadam Vishayam. Inda Vishayam na. We who have been listening to the story as told by Valmiki know that when Hanuman went there, Lankini gave him a tight slap. அதுக்கப்புறம் Hanuman punched her with his left fist. Now Hanuman is telling the story. Hanuman என்ன சொல்றாரு அப்படின்னா, as he was entering Aham Lankapuri Veeranrajita Vikramenate, as he was entering into Lanka, suddenly a Rakshasi came there, a woman came there and started laughing in a terrible manner. She emerged to kill me. But what did I do? I just punched her with my left hand, defeated her and went inside. அப்படின்னு குறைட்டா ஏன் அவ அடிச்சா விஷயம் எதுன்னு சொல்லணும், இதுக்கு இதெல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்குது சாதகமாக இருக்கிறதான் சொல்லணும் இல்லையா? இதுவும் கற்றுக்கணும் நம்மளாம். Go to learn this also. சும்மா in the name of being truthful, no, you should not blurt out all your weaknesses to everybody. You should be truthful, but you should not be a blabbermouth. What's the difference between the two? எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லுவாளா? அது கரெக்டாக இருக்குது, நல்ல விஷயத்துல தான் சொல்லணும். Swami used to say to teachers, Swami used to tell the teachers that in front of students, don't say you're wrong. They will not respect you. I'm sorry, I was wrong. சொல்லப்படாது. All my mistake only, my weakness சொல்லப்படாது. Swami said, don't say that. Even if it is your mistake, you don't have to go and confess to them that it is all your mistake. And then they will not respect. Next time, they will always have the doubt, last time you made a mistake. Why will this alone be right? This also will be a mistake. But you will lose all reputation, you will lose all ground. அதனால brush it aside, leave it. You don't have to dwell on it. Leave it. You may have made a mistake. You are not perfect. You may have made a mistake. Leave it and get on. Move on to the next thing. I made a mistake. It's all my mistake. My bad. So you learn that from Hanuman. You don't have to say that. You don't have to defend yourself after having made a mistake. But if it is possible, ignore it and move on. You don't have to make a big deal out of it. You don't have to dwell on it. Otherwise, people will not respect you. Who should respect? Students should respect the teacher. அந்த மாதிரி situation இல்ல. அதனால சொல்லல. Likewise here, Hanuman also does not reveal this story. Rest of the story he says about how he went and searched everywhere. And then finally he saw Sita and how that Sita was. That the description of Sita, how sad and pathetic looking she was, immersed in sorrow, meditating upon her husband. And then literally, how he narrated Ramakatha, how he saw Ravana come and terrorize her, giving her 2 months time before he will eat her up. இப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்ல, how she spoke back to him, how she spurned him and spoke so valorously, and he is not caring for the words of their threat, whether it be of Ravana or even the Rakshasis. எப்படி தைரியமா இருந்தா அப்படிங்கிறத சொல்லி, and how Trijata got up and told the story of the dream, அதையும் சொல்லி, that also he narrates. அதுக்கப்புறம் how he met Sita, how what Sita told him. கதையெல்லாம் சொல்லல, he doesn't talk about the stories. Instead he just says that she told me Rama has to come and rescue me within a month. She has told me. Then I destroyed Ashokavanam. அதெல்லாம் பண்ணி அங்கே இருக்கவாள்லாம், he talks about all great detail. ஜம்புமாலி, அது இது எல்லாம், அந்த 5 generals எல்லா கதையும், அக்ஷகுமாரா, மண்டோதரி son அக்ஷகுமாரா, I killed him also. அப்புறம் இந்திரஜித் வந்தான், இந்திரஜித் came there. அப்போ he bound me by Brahmastra. I went there to talk to Ravana, அந்த கதையெல்லாம் சொல்லி, how he gave advice to Ravana, how Vibhishana stood up to protect him at that time, how they set his tail on fire, அப்போ how he burnt all of Lanka. அப்போ இந்த விஷயம் மட்டும் சொல்லிக்கிறார். Then when I burnt all of Lanka, I thought, alas, did I also burn Sita by mistake? But luckily, I heard Charanas talking about Sita alone being safe. அதனால I went there. I could not feel any pain because of the fire. I saw Sita once again, and being relieved that she was safe, I have now come here. அப்படிங்கிற பூர்ண விற்த்தாந்தத்தை he explains everything to the monkeys. இங்கே நிறுத்திக்கலாம். We will stop here for today. जानकी कांत स्मरणं जय जय राम आंजनेय स्वामी की जय. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. हरि ओम तत्सत्. श्री साई ईश्वरार्पणम्.